Welcome, CNG 124, um, 2 week 10. It started yesterday. I'm making the video today as we dive into um, this week's chapters. We have a test this week, so make sure you're preparing for the test. It's going to cover everything from, I believe, week 5 to week 10. I have a pretty big gap here for this. Also, this week, when we look at our assignments, we start to do a deeper dive into Cisco Packet Tracer. So make sure you look at both the weekly reading materials because this week we don't have any sort of chapters we do out of the Netacad book. We simply just cover a lab week, basically what it is. And when you look at the labs, make sure you actually go through the, do I have any homework videos in there? I don't have any homework videos in there, but it's definitely give yourself enough time that if you do have errors with Packet Tracer, you can kind of work through them just a little bit. Remember to reflect back to project or lab 15. Lab 16, I believe, is another long lab, but not as long. I think it's like 7 pages. And this will help you. It will not give you all the steps. That's why you have to go back to lab 15 and work through lab 15 again. As it just loads here. Packet Tracer, yeah, only four pages. So make sure you go back to that lab 15, build your foundation, and apply the rubric or the information from lab 16. So as you dig in there, it's going to be different IPs, different subnettings, and same with lab 17. Different IPs, different subnetting. So to make sure you hop in there and get it right. If you have any questions, make sure to reach out early, reach out often. Google Hangouts the quickest way to get a hold of me. And that's it for this week. I'll go ahead and leave it at that. Good luck.